Hi, I'm Mallory Varner with GSG, and I have a vinyl decorating tip. We have a vinyl decorating quarterly pulse that comes out with my product pick, tips and tricks, and some great specials. In spring of 2020, my product pick was the Siser EasyPatterns. I really like the EasyPatterns for your regular heat transfer user that doesn't have a wide format printer, so they can't create their own. They really want that multicolor design. One of my favorites is actually the leopard, which is what we're going to be working with today. First thing I always say before even starting, the main difference is you don't want to mirror your image. So make sure before you get started cutting your design that you do not hit mirror just out of habit. After you've cut your image, not in mirror, you want to weed your design. I use the Siser Red weeding tool when weeding, and I make sure that I get all those in between little loops like with the L in this design. After you've weeded your design, you want to get Siser mask and cut it a little bit larger than what the design actually is. This gives you a little bit of wiggle room because you really want to make sure that you get all of your design covered. Once you've cut that and you peel the backing, you want to apply it to your design. Be sure to use your Siser squeegee and go from the center out to release all the air bubbles. Make sure you're on a flat surface when you're doing that. After you're ready to go, you want to pre-press your garment for 3 to 5 seconds at 305 degrees. Remember to test any garment or substrate to make sure that time and temp works best for you. After that, then press your design at 305 for 15 seconds. Great news is it's a warm peel, so you can peel right away and your design will be ready to go. Now you have a multicolor design without having to mess with weeding 4, 5, 6 colors. Look how cute just the word blessed is on this tank top without that much work. Be sure and check out Siser's seasonal EasyPatterns as well as new patterns that they're coming out with all the time. Thank you for watching. Be sure to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest to see more of my vinyl decorating tips and projects. I would love to see what you're working on, so make sure and tag me. See you next time.